So I'm doing a reinstall of this video, but I'm gonna do something a little differently. I'm just gonna do a full review of these headlights while I'm kind of explaining why I'm doing the installation. I had something defective in my headlights, which another advice, if you guys see something kind of wrong, talk to the seller or get them returned, because on my ballast part, which is on the blue piece, which is the power for the lights, they had a little cut. Didn't think nothing of it. Then a month later, this completely ripped off. Both these lights kicked off. So originally, I thought it was just the HIDs that did blown out, which was true. That's why you don't get the cheap ones. So let me do a quick review of these. So pretty simple. So you got the high beams right here. You got the parking light right here, and you got the the low beams right here. And I think these are I don't know what this one is. So when you go do your look for lights, what goes with these are 905s and 906s. Well, these are going to be a little tricky. So they'll look like these headlights right here. These for the high beams. Original size for mine is like an H11. So I ordered the H11s, but they didn't fit. They were too big. So make sure you get H1s. H1s with will work perfectly fine. You'll just snap it down, and it's good to go. So you got the connector right here that powers your car to the lights. The LED connector, which I'm gonna explain how weird these connectors are. So I end up getting the C lights, right, which are pretty good lights that I use for my old car that I used to have. Work perfectly fine. But you need a thing called like a harness or a decoder to kind of read the car, make sure the car reads and say, hey, these are LEDs, turn off the lights and stuff like that, whatever. So it fits in just like this, snug clamp, and then you just connect it to the car. The issue is, you see this, doesn't fit. So I thought you had to order like a male connector to male on male, well, female on male. But however, I can't find anything that has 2 pins to go with and something that connects into a male 4. It took me like hours, if not days, to try to find one. I couldn't find it, so I ended up saying, no, forget it. I just bought these two. Just get the better quality one, because like I said, I already spent $66 on bulbs that died almost within 2 months. So get these, or get this, how you say it, the Sylvania's one. So pre-install these already before I drop the bumper, and then all I got to do is once I pull the bumper, if you don't have one already, I'm gonna take my ballasts off my original headlights and put them on here. If you already got the ballasts online, I'll put descriptions below too. You can just pull, install, and just plug and play and be good to go. So without further ado, I'm gonna put these in real quick, and then you'll get the washers in the car or whatever. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna do my installation. So let's get to it. So I'm about to take this part off right here, the retainer piece, and then I'm gonna take off the ballast. Retainer off. Next thing I have to do is I have to take off the ballast, which is going to be a pain. And while doing so, I'm going to show you guys the part was broken. Alright, now the thing is, the easiest part is taking the ballast out, but the hard part is putting them bad boys in. So let's get to it. Let's see if I can feed this in without as much difficulty. Actually it's not as bad. Oh, actually I lied. Look at that. It was actually easier than I thought. Perfect. Put that way in. Ain't nothing to it but to connect everything up and then do a quick test fire. And we good to go. I'm gonna start this up, let's see. Oh. My bad. I forgot to put the battery in.